Hi, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, and I'm just at home with my older daughter because she got a fever and she's been coughing a lot since last night. So today I took this afternoon off for my older daughter, and we went to see a doctor 1 hour before 1 hour ago, and we got some medicine. So she took medicine after eating something, and she is sleeping now. She said, I was sleepy, so she went to bed and she is sleeping now. And I'm gonna wake her up a few minutes later because we have to eat lunch. And this afternoon I'm gonna work, and I'm gonna ask my husband's parent to take care of her this afternoon. Yeah, and my two daughters have have been coughing a lot, and my husband is not still good. So this weekend they are having school day, and so they really want to go there. So I really hope they will be better soon. Yeah, and I took this afternoon off, so I'm not in a mood to work today. Yeah, but today's Tuesday, so yeah, I can be with it, and I have to work 3 days in this week. Yeah, and goodbye.